I just came back from Japan. I had this woman come up to me, and little lady, a beautiful lady. She said, I have been diagnosed as having terminal cancer. I'm going to be dead in 3 months. And so I just did a cleaning. She came up, she looked at me, she hugged me. As I hugged her, I did the cleaning. But listen, I'm not God.
Sure.
But I mean, I'm not God. I'm not here to save anybody. That's the divinity's job, not mine. Mm-hmm. My job is to say, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Mm-hmm. I'm not here to act as God to say, well, if I clean, I can save you. I don't do that. So I said, as I was hugging her, I said to the divinity, thank you for giving me this opportunity for this lady to come up so that I can look at myself. What's going on in me that I would like to make amends for? And so I said to the divinity, I'm sorry for whatever's going on in me, and there are specific cleaning tools I use that are unique to me. But basically, I'm asking divinity, I'm sorry, please forgive me for whatever's going on in me, that this woman should show up in my life, experiencing her saying to me, I've been diagnosed. Now, one of the things I had to work on, because I just had to work on this whole judgment about somebody saying that somebody's going to die in 3 months. Mm-hmm. I had to work on that one. Yes. And again, people can't help. If a doctor says, you only got 3 months to live, he can't help it. That's the data in him. Mm-hmm. So now the question is, at some point, who's going to start deleting the data? But it's so easy, you know. That's the divinity's job, not mine. My job is to appeal, divinity's job is to erase, so I can't say to divinity. Like, occasionally I say, come on, hurry up, hurry up. I'm more interested, like, in somebody else. I'm not interested whether Shakespeare is a risen master. I'm more interested in some insights that I could use to get some of these ideas across. For example, Shakespeare's, I think the notion that poor soul, how does that go? Poor soul, these rebel powers that thee array. So Shakespeare's already said, hello, the sin, or the error is in the soul. So I go, oh, yeah, that's sure. It's not out there someplace. It's a rebel power, what Shakespeare called for bemoan, grievances forgone. It's played before, it's going to play again. The tragedy is we don't know that. That's the tragedy. We don't know that the data runs us. That's the tragedy. And so we're going to repeat it over. Sometimes, but rarely. I'm more interested in keeping the cleaning going nonstop. I don't go to that route. Because I'm absolutely clear in my soul that the divinity has given me one more chance to make amends for whatever is going on in me. So I'm clear that my only purpose for existence is to free myself, so I can be free and once more be in line with the light and be in enlightened soul. Yeah.